Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add products to your Shopify store. Now, before I begin with the video, I can offer you 3 days of Shopify completely for free, and then you only have to pay 1 month. So once you're here, you need to go to Home and basically then go to Products. And from there, you on the top right, you have more actions, but that doesn't interest you. What you want to do is click on Add Product. Once you have added your product, give it a title, give it a description, upload some images of the product, add price, do you want to track quantity or not, how much does it weigh, and etc. So when you're done, just click Save. And to preview it, you just click on the Preview button. And this is how it will look like. So that was if you don't have any products created, but if you have them created, you just have to go to the right side over here, click Add Product, and that's pretty much it. The steps are the same. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And also, if you want to get it for $1, click the link in the description.